Hello Unity developers, and welcome to the first video on creating a multiplayer survival game in Unity. I'm very excited about this new project because we are going to create the exciting and fully playable multiplayer game together. And this is a project-based tutorial. If you want to follow the video and type out the code, I have prepared a single-player starter project with all the assets and scripts you need. I'll put a download link to the starter project in the descriptions. The tutorial is divided into smaller parts, and the finished multiplayer project will be available to download as well. But remember that retyping out the code will not make you an expert. It is more important to understand the different features and APIs of the SocketWeaver SDK, so you can use them to build your own multiplayer games. I will help you understand the design and implementation of the solutions for the networking problem in this project. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I have opened up the starter project. I'm going to hit play to show you around the game. The game features a very basic third-person controller. You can use the WASD keys to move around. The mouse movement will control the direction of the player character. The player is also positioned slightly to the left from the center of the screen, and this camera setting allows the player to see where they are aiming at. The enemy robots are spawned at different locations in the map. You need to use the provided weapons to kill them. The default weapon is a laser gun, and it deals a lot of damage. As you can see, it basically kills a robot in one shot, but the laser gun has 1 second cooldown. You can also use the machine gun. It deals less damage, but it fires more rapidly. In this video, we are going to prepare the project so that we can use the SocketWeaver backend services. We will install the SDK and we will set up the lobby scene included in the SDK to handle the matchmaking of the game. So I'm going to start playing. So let's go to the download page of SocketWeaver.com to download the latest SDK. After that, you need to import the SDK to our project. You can go to the top, select Assets, Import Package, and select Custom Package. I'm going to select the downloaded Unity package file, and I'm going to press Import. Next, I'm going to configure the build settings to make the lobby scene included in the SDK launch our game scene when matchmaking is finished. I'm going to select File, Build Settings. I'm just going to add the lobby scene at index 0 and the game scene at index 1 in the build settings. And now we can set up the lobby scene. We can go to the SocketWeaver developer portal. I'm going to make a new game. I'm going to name it Survival. And we just need to copy the API keys. And we can go back to Unity, and I'm going to paste the API keys into the network client component. And this is going to conclude the first part of this tutorial. I hope you are as much excited as I am about this new project. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.